Molweni ekhaya, igama lami MK and welcome to Leadership Insights. Namhlanje we have got an exclusive interview with Mr. Thulani Rozani who is the founder ne director kunye ne coach ye Ashes to Ashes ngumhlali waseThokoza Tatuske uGrand bra.
And right MK mfethu right now.
Ndiyaphila nami. I have abantu abasibukele from the US.
Sure.
We've got abantu abasibukele from China, we've got abantu abasibukele from Brazil, we've got abantu abasibukele from India, we've got abantu abasibukele from Nigeria as well, and then kube iMzansi. And I bet you those people from channel yami abanye babo abakwazi. So bengicela usinikeze some briefing background ngawe kuba ngaba uThuske ngubani, ubuya phi kanjani.
All right, uThuske is just a Kasi boy from Lai Lokshini, yabona. Born Lai Jozi in Katlehong, but grew up as Lalini, Elibode in the Eastern Cape.
Okay.
You can understand then, but I grew up Kakulu. After I moved from Eslalini, I came back to Epola Park. So I can basically say I'm a boy from Epola Park. Yeah, even though I've moved from Epola Park now, I'm based in Palm Beach, but yeah, I'm from Epola Park.
Okay. Abantu abaninzi bakwazela eDiskini.
Sure.
Now walk me through life yakho eDiskini ukuthi eDiskini uqale kanjani to being uThuske lo onguye namhlanje.
Yeah, it's been a nice journey when it comes to football history. I started just like any other young boy ozodlala estradweni with a plastic ball. We can understand that.
Yes.
And it was more difficult as Lalini because we're not privileged. Ukuthi sibe nazo ezibhola ezikhona ngokwelokishini where xa uphuma estradweni umntwana next door nebhola ezilalini the only ball besinayo ukuthi uzenzele ngeplastic.
Yeah.
Uyanthola then sihambe siyodlala and we had fun. That's where uthando lwebhola liqale khona. Kwiplastic ibhola yeplastic le xa siyoqokelela inkomo and all that thing. Sizidlalele then ibhola laqala apho then laqhubeleka la esikolweni. Masifika esikolweni at least there is a proper ball now. Masifika esikolweni ekwazi ba xa siyojima ngayo uyanthola sasezilalini lapho. Then I came eJozi. Manifika eJozi i-setup was a little bit now advanced because ibhola ngosezininzi.
Yeah.
Izibhola ezi-right. And then sekhona ama-Cox, ama-soccer boots. At least ngokuyabona man standard now it's dikwenye environment. So uthando lavela khula more because izinto zalento endiyithandayo they are there, the resources, soccer boots, soccer bips, ikit zikhona zonke ezo. So I got eJozi, I joined a team ekwakuthiwa iBlackbirds. No. A team got the Ace before Blackbirds from Extension 2. I played for Madala Betu Ace was Extension 2. I had fun. Dala was stand, was cool. When I got that good in coaching, but with niggas the baller and assistant, so we had fun there. After that, I joined Blackbirds. From Blackbirds and Bono Mountain Robbers band recruit with time and is a Zodalanant. Then that's where the real soccer for me started.
Okay.
Mountain Robbers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Extension 2.
Extension 2.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's when almost everyone undazi kakhulu ku Mountain Robbers.
Okay.
That's when I developed to be a good player because they never exposed into ukudlala nama professional players.
Yes.
Abo Nyauza, abo Skarango Base, abo Patrick Twala and other players. I got the chance to compete nabo Bujwaha and nabanye.
Okay.
And so that's where iqale khona kahle Mountain Robbers.
Okay, Tatuske. So you've actually made a name for yourself with Diski.
Sure.
To a point where you were even certified with certificate as a coaching because you've taken some lessons under a coaching.
Sure.
And then from there you opened a team, the Ashes to Ashes.
Sure.
Along the way, we are a Valley team.
Sure.
I remember you announced on Facebook, Bangaba, the Ashes to Ashes, Isazuk exist based on normal reasons or was stated then.
Sure.
And then there was a return of Ashes to Ashes. Now take me through their process there. Ukuthi ibuya kanjani Ashes to Ashes.
Bese ivaliwe.
Yeah.
Look, when MK from the moment from the decision enandiyithathile ba ngoku ndiyayivala Ashes.
Yeah.
Deep down in my heart, I was not like uba ndiyivala forever. It was a break.
Okay.
But I couldn't say by that time ndiyithatha i-break ndithi I'm taking a break, because bendingafuna abantu bazi my next move.
Okay.
I said ndiyayivala Ashes to Ashes, so that abantu mabebambe kuloo ndawo. But deep down in my heart, I knew but I will come back, as I'm back now.
Okay.
You know, when I close it, that time ndiyivala, I think I had a lot. Yes, there was too much pressure. The game was getting too personal around the Kasi. The rival between me and Amayama teams, Kasi, it was like I understand it's getting out of hand. So let me just take a break.
Okay.
Then I will come back. So yeah, Naival. I remember the last one. The slogan was Ashes to Ashes. The last one.
Yeah.
So I knew about I would be back. As I'm back now. From there, another reason is to step it down a little bit. I was opening up Eland and then I'm getting business. So personal, I wanted to focus to my business.
Okay.
To Kulisa Ituske driving school.
Kalibambi
moment, then I'll come back. I knew once Ibambi momentum, I'll come back in the game. And that's why now, that's where I am at this stage. Okay, the business side is balanced now. I can even, if nobody things can happen.
Okay.
Okay. So now that's why now I'm back in the game. But okay, I can balance my things now. My things are balanced. I can be a grounding. I can be running things on the other side.
Yeah.
Business if grand dissolve it's because of football. And now I'm in the stage where I can see man, I can do these things.
Okay.
So that's what happened. Ubandi Valley team by that time. But now we are back fit, and for sure we are back. I can even feel a vibe around Ekasi. Ashes is back. When I come back now, unfortunately.
Yeah. And everyone is talking about the return the Ashes to Ashes and these statements ozenzayo so far.
Sure.
Okay. So you guys have made imagine kunye namaninja.
Sure.
Yeah. Recently, I think it was on Friday or Saturday when you've announced on Facebook bangaba you are no longer working with amaninja. Asange ke sabanayo i-report ekuqaleni.
Sure.
Yeah, esixelelayo bangaba you guys are now working together, and yet sivela sesifumana i-report ukuba you are not working together.
Sure.
Can you walk us through how image between wena namaninja is ngayo?
Oh, it's not really a matter of, firstly, let me take that one away. There was no announcement between Uba when it started.
Yes.
There was an announcement. Maybe it was not a proper or a clear one.
Okay.
Before the one and the announced Uba, we are no longer working together now. A day before or a few days before, I think, in fact, during the week, Good Friday.
Yes.
I made the announcement. Yokobana uTuske as individual uzobe AP during Ama Easters.
Yeah.
I announced about Ashes will be playing Esomhlolo at 1 o'clock on Friday. I announced about uTuske will be coaching Extension 2 on Friday at 3 o'clock.
Yes.
I announced Bana Tuske will be at Polar Park on Saturday 10 o'clock. So now if you put your dots together, you'll get the answer. If it's IBC Extension 2, 3 o'clock, Ngama Ninja.
Yes.
But I announced about 3 o'clock I'll be coaching at the Extension 2.
Okay.
That one is clear, but I'll be coaching Ngama Ninja.
Yeah.
But there were no questions about that one.
Okay.
So I think some people, they knew already because there was a tournament, ABC Polar Park before Easters, top 8.
Yes.
Where it was Ashes Nama Ninja in one team. We played that tournament up until to the final. So now when I made that announcement, people, they already saw in that tournament all right. Okay, now let me take you through what happened, how did we came to the agreement. Now we are having collusion. Is it collusion?
Yeah.
Collusion between.
No, Mara, before that,
okay.
iqale nini le match le between lama team ayi-2?
Okay.
Yeah, njengoba bese izophela during Easter. Yeah.
Iqale just practically, when I'm saying practical, I mean ubana ibonakale. Iqale just 2 weeks before Good Friday.
Okay.
But in ngokuthethisana ubasibonisana ba this is what we want to do. It's been happening. Iqale kudala le.
Yeah.
I think last year uNkalakatha uNdlela, which is I believe I would say the football manager yama Ninja. Kudala lokho ne approach ba man Tuesday sondela si ngoba mina nhlala ndingekho, let's work together kuma Ninja and by that time is when I was on the break. So I was not interested kakhulu ngoba kaloku bendisasithathe ibreak. So now even ndizobuya breaking ndibuya ngeback door sensiza kuma Ninja, it was not going to be fair to me and nasebantwini ababelievayo kum when it comes to football. I wanted to come back properly, then ndiyenze lo collusion yam nama Ninja ndibe ndibuyile.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So what I wanted to do first is to announce ukuthi Ashes is back, ndiyenze come back nge-Ashes, then ke ngoku siyenze lonto siyenzayo nama Ninja ndibe ndibuyile, so that whatever happens it must be clear about I have my own team.
Yes.
So that's how it happens.
Okay.
It happens just earlier nyana this, I think around Feb March, when we just decided let's go for this one.
Let's go for this one.
Sure.
So I know bangaba there's signs oye wahlangabezana nazo endleleni.
Sure.
Oye wabona khona bangaba okay apha there's a developing tension.
Sure.
Especially with leadership. Okanye is it involving ama player as well?
The tension, I can say it was in leadership.
Okay.
But not with the person ebendize ngaye, which is uNkalakatha.
Okay.
Yes. You understand? UNkalakatha, at no point we still have the understanding mna naye.
To this day.
Up until today.
Okay.
We're still fine. The understanding still 100%. Unless there's something engayaziyo behind my back.
Okay.
But face to face, don't secret.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
But now the problem, if we are talking about the problem and the tension in Zagalil, the problem in this collusion is science and Amachit. I think the first failure was on the side of ama Ninja.
Yeah.
UNkalakatha, or let me just take you through when we decided, bana, let's go for this thing. Or bana, let's it was not a matter of let's put the teams together. I think I was right, Man City, the collusion. Okay. Because the collusion right, we were not saying our second Ninja, I say Ashes.
Yes.
The Ashes was there, ama Ninja was there. But what we decided to do, bana, in one tournament, co-affiliator as ama Ninja.
Okay.
When co-affiliator as ama Ninja, Ashes must not take part in that tournament. Makungeni Ashes, ama Ninja must not take part in that tournament. That's one. Two, in terms of finances, mna noNkalakatha sikhupha imali soyi-2, regardless ukuthi ngama Ninja or Ashes.
Ashes, that's good.
The first top 8 esiyenze ePolar Park, I was the one who were invited to the tournament.
Okay.
That join the affiliate. Then uNkalakatha won the refunder half of that money.
Okay.
To say now we are working together.
Yeah, let it be.
Yeah. So that's how it started. So now we had a meeting, me, Nkalakatha, Ninja, Tom, Ronaldo as a coach of ama Ninja.
Okay.
Ninja, I believe as the founder. I don't know if the right man as a chairman as well, because now he's also a player and a captain.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
But now it was within his right or their right to ban and Magabe involved. Okay. And Ronaldo, remember, is the coach.
He's the coach.
So now we are having this meeting. It's them and me. I'm representing Ashes. I don't need somebody else to be there because I take decisions for Ashes.
Okay.
So I think that was the first failure that happened. At that time, I didn't see it as a failure because all these people were there except Nkalakatha. I've worked with them. I've coached them. I've coached Tom. I've coached Ninja. I've coached Ronaldo. So I don't see any challenge. And it came out even as a meeting in no one has got a problem because they've played under me.
Yeah.
So they know me. It's not a matter of I'm the new person in these guys. You understand? All right, chap. We had this meeting. So now this meeting went on saba right, we agreed bana how we're gonna run things and who's gonna coach the team. The coaches of the team, it was agreed but it's gonna be me and Ronaldo.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
As much as I'm the chairman, but the coaching is also my thing. As you know, sometimes the chairman is the person who's coaching the club.
Yeah.
So that one is it's not something new. So we agreed and we started in that tournament. We played all the way to the final. So now on the final, that's when I started to pick up Wobana. There are things here that are not supposed to be happening.
Okay.
That happened.
Kule finally top 8.
Kule finally top 8. It's our first tournament together.
Yeah. Okay.
So what happened there? Ronaldo, the coach wa Maninja, which is now, I believe, we are co-coaches. I don't want to say he's the assistant coach, as much as I'm his senior.
Yeah.
I'm not going to say he's my assistant. I'm undermine Mandy Choganjal because he was the head coach of Maninja.
Yes.
Even though now Zanga Singh deeper, so now who's got the final say? I don't have a problem with that one.
Okay.
So now, Ati Ronaldo on that day, I get right. So on that day, I will take control. I'll take full control of the team. All right, I'll be coaching.
Yes.
Next game, this descends echo, no issues.
Yeah.
It's a first semi-final, so we win semi-final. Okay. So on the final, I wanted to go somewhere. So I asked him, I asked them, gule meeting, okay, I'll leave the first 11. So they will just continue bona the first 11 yethu. Listen, they settle as the reason why they set the first 11 because Ronaldo uchilo kokubana akekho right. So I must continue the coaching of the day.
Okay.
Okay, sharp. They set the first 11. Into my surprise, when I came back, the figure I came in akaqali. As he came in akaqali, but the first 11 is not the same. 11 ishiyile. You know what I did? I called the guy and the coach and I, which is Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Ronaldo, why would you change your first 11? I'm being honest, and I don't want to wanna kusasa ndi kumbelo Ronaldo while I didn't ask him the reason. But Ronaldo, why first 11 ichinjiwe? In my first 11, ndandifake uThando as a center back with Uloyiso. Uthando noLoyiso baze nami in this squad.
Okay.
So we had 3 center backs, Tina, kwesi squad. It was Thando, Loyiso and Sia. So when I come back, uThando akadlalanga semi-final. So na final akafakwanga. And we were preparing for Easter tournament. So meaning we must give each and everyone a chance to see how ready are we for Easter tournament. Okay, with Ronaldo, why did we change the scheme now? Ati no. Uloyiso ute akaziva kahle ngathi une injury.
Okay.
So now we wanna reserve a player esiqonda eba right than go reserve ngalo on injury.
Okay.
To my surprise, yes, maybe it makes sense, but to me azange yenze sense because uLoyiso ubevele ku first 11. It's not like benimbeke ngaphandle ku first 11 yami. Ubedlala noThando, but kufakwe uSiya. Ngoku lo bevele edlala in first game. Nguye mina benifuna umenze reserve.
Okay.
So uSiya unfortunately, he player la Maninja. So I felt to okay, kubekwa uThando maybe because uza nami. Okay, that was the first incident. Second incident, kwesi scheme uNinja benimfake ku first 11. Uhleli ngaphandle. Ufake another player uShavi, which I believe experience wise beningamdingi ba makaqale ne game ku final. In team lesidlala nayo balingana nayo uShavi. They will easily compete naye. So ndifuna obana we just bully this team esodlala nayo ngoba sibe badala when show experience. So manje fika uNinja uhleli ngaphandle ndibuze nalonto ba why uNinja athi uRonaldo like uNinja yena uziphumela ucela ba mangena uShavi.
Okay.
So that's when I picked up ba here it seems like we're gonna have a misunderstanding or we're not gonna click. This is our first game after a meeting.
Yeah.
Already sekune changes ezinga authorizwanga sithi sonke ngoba ngoba ngisethi scheme besisonke the share first 11. I believe but if bekhona umbono to change the first 11 ngewuvele ngela xesha. So now awuvelanga. So I picked up the first crack on that day, but fortunately I did raise it up immediately.
Okay.
So the question kuwe bekuthi where did I notice ubana there is tension? I noticed on that first day.
Yeah.
And lucky enough Unkalakatha was there. And some other issues that happened during the game that players ababe behave ngendlela right. That happened on that day, which is I don't really want to dwell on that one because it happens again. But bekhona players lose temper and is taking ngendlela engekho right to ama coaches. Yenzeka ke lonto le. Then I wanted to address that thing, but I felt let's address it qala. Ndibe no one on one Nkalakatha, which we did. And man one on one Nkalakatha. While I left before the final, he addressed this issue na le player enza lonto le. So saba right. So I was like, okay, life must go on here. Mandingabi too strict on the first day.
Yes.
So that's what happened masqala.
So it gets to a point where we decide akon, okay, you know what?
Sure, I'm out.
Making intambo phansi ngoku. Kwenzeka ntoni na?
In that stage.
Yeah.
Okay. That was the tournament and it before Easter tournament. So now we are done with preparations. I think we're left with 1 week, then it's Easter's. Unfortunately, Velelo sisife ekhaya. Uyantola?
Yes.
Kuforced to on the week before Easter tournament, I have to travel to Eastern Cape.
Okay.
A day on the same week and yamangai kwenziwa idraw Easter tournament yaseThokoza, which is Thokoza Easter tournament.
Okay.
So Unkalakatha as usual uncontacted obana Tuesday uzokwazi nakuya kwidraw, which is it was the proper way of wenza izinto. Because akekho I'm thinking I'm the one who must go.
Yes.
Because mna naye sizi-chairman zale club.
Chairman zale club of which omnye represent omnye.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
By the way, abantu abakhupha imali yoku-affiliate, I believe izoba ndim naye.
Okay.
Even though by that time sihlangana ubeseyithe seyikhiphile i-deposit, i-affiliation.
Okay.
So whatever now basigqibezela njani going forward was going to be discussed. As we knew ubana sodlala esomhlolo, sodlala extension 2. So now idraw extension 2 comes earlier. Unfortunately besenivele sisivo ningakwazi ukuyi-attend.
Okay.
Ndithi no angayi uninja nyani why futhi on that first time everything went smooth because after the draw the toss was communicated obana we are toss a team so. But now again now another red flag that I picked up. Kunama WhatsApp group I2 wama team. There is WhatsApp group here ninja. There is WhatsApp group here Ashes.
Okay.
On the WhatsApp group here Ashes, ndam eda Unkalakatha. We understand so that he must know what's happening on that side here Ashes.
Yeah.
And I'm eda uninja because I believe to obana he's the right hand side, he's the right hand side yakankalakatha. Makangekho Unkalakatha is running the things.
Yeah.
So he must also know what's happening on that side here Ashes.
Yeah, Ashes.
I think that eda bona boy 2. Okay, uTom na I'm eda as uTom he Vele was part of the Ashes even before.
Okay.
So I assume but even when Ashes come back, Utom will be part of it. So on that WhatsApp group Ashes. But now to my surprise, I didn't really focus on it in a seqaleni. Man, you notice I was never part of WhatsApp group Yamaninja. So meaning whatever it discuss on ngapha and
yes, okay.
That's another red flag.
Okay.
But remember, this is just the beginning of the new relationship esibanayo. So angeke everything that I picked up ndiyithathele into inhloko. But izinto mase zibheda kakhulu. I will now go back and think about that's why. Okay, fine. Yaya kwatoswa kwabuya kusithi uba i-tournament extension 2 izoqala a week before Good Friday.
Yes.
Because of our team manins.
Okay.
Unfortunately, babe yazi ba I have to go home. And this back on. They showed the sympathy of I wish you were gonna be with us and we are sorry now because you have to go for a funeral. We were fine. I went to Makaya, they played and then they lost to Abasutu. No problem. I came back on Monday.
Okay.
Supposed now to attend idraw esomhlolo. They are supposed I thought njengoba amaninja adliwe kwi-Easter tournament yase-extension 2 kune possibility yokupressa to rejoin the tournament.
Okay.
So I didn't hear ke ngokuba now sesi rejoin the tournament. What are the logistics uba sijoine kanjani tournament? I didn't get that information.
Okay.
Secondly, I didn't even get the information about when is the draw now for the last 16 after we have rejoined the tournament.
Okay.
I understand Naleo, I forgive them because I was busy with the funeral. So maybe they wanted to excuse me uba ndikwazi ukudila ne-funeral.
Okay.
I understand that on that one. I can't be really hard on them, but hayi bafihle izinto no.
Okay.
I understood that part. But now masandibuya Monday preparing for uba kuyotoswa eSomhlolo. Ndiyodlula kuNinja so that we make plans and arrangements bana ngapha if it's possible let's ask this tournament ngapha mayidlalise Friday so that the other one is like Saturday so that singaclash games zethu.
Okay.
Nyani ke ndi arrange ukudlula kuNinja xa nifika kuNinja Ninja ngapha nitosa nini ngoba kuyotoswa ngapha ndenze ba games zingahlangani. Athi Ninja asisitosile ngaba sidose izolo. Awu but I didn't even know ndingayidonsi.
Okay.
Kudlalwa nini ke ngongapha? Hayi andazi. Ndicela ubuza uTafaya uba kudlalwa nini. It came as a shock ba ndiyobuza kanjani kuTafaya kodwa you were the one who was representing the team. I'm here phela ukuzothola feedback. So now the feedback ndithuna uba mandiyobuza komnye umuntu wenye team. That's another red flag.
Okay.
I went to Tafaya kudlalwa nini ngapha maninja? Hayi maninja dlala Friday.
Iboni i-relationship yaka Tafaya namaninja.
Ayikho kuba uTafaya naye bekhona kwi draw representa iPetro yakhe. So there is no relationship. Tafaya une team yakhe uyile kwi draw representa i-team yakhe.
Okay.
Cha I think uNinja behambe noTafaya emgaye bephene ilift xa besiya withdraw. Yes. So there is no relationship.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
So kuTafaya ndithole information ifeedback ye draw since bephaya. Ayanikeza feedback. Hayi si Petro sidlala on Friday. Nama Ninja adlala on Friday. Be clear ifeedback enditholayo. Oh okay ndiva ndi attend idraw yaseSomhlolo.
Okay.
Manifika eSomhlolo ndicele igame Saturday. And then they agreed ba bazosinikeza lo game le.
Yes, Saturday.
Kanti eSomhlolo. Now they thought ba bendicela i Friday. Ixashe ke ngokancinci. eSomhlolo basinikeze iphuma ama fixture from both sides. eSomhlolo basinikeze 1 o'clock. Extension 2 basinikeze 3 o'clock. Now why I'm saying basinikeze. Remember we are two teams. It's Amaninja ne Ashes. Team A1. All right, before the draw, let me put this one in. Njengoba benthetha noNinja ngendaba ye draw. We drafted, it's just unfortunately I forgot that book. We drafted encwadini, we divided players. Njengoba sidlala eSomhlolo nangapha, we divided players ba. Okay. No, it was not on the day draw. It was another day on Thursday. Okay, we went for a draw eSomhlolo. Koba right kwaphuma ama fixture asikhomba on the same day. Then on Thursday we met mina noNinja since unkalakathe ngekho.
Okay.
We drafted ama player ke ngisesibonile ixesha. We drafted more like we were making a lineup even though it was not really a lineup because the other coach akekho.
Yeah.
We drafted ba who must go to eSomhlolo. In fact ndithole awapha ama player for iAshes. Ngawapha khona ngapha. Then we divide uba who must stay alindele igame yango 3 o'clock extension 2 who must go and be at Somhlolo. uNinja was part of the players that must go to eSomhlolo but akazudlala eSomhlolo just to be there abe present to show bana this is the same team, this is one team uzo support and I said uzo organize the transport maybe half time we are move to the extension 2. That was the agreement and some of the players. So now come Friday, luckily I'm qale Ashes ukudlala 1 o'clock eSomhlolo. I organized the machita sibathole. Now on the side yamaninja, the one with the onke la machita so expect ba abe khona eSomhlolo, they didn't pitch up. Pitch up only uSylvester. Kasandi was supposed to be there, aga pitch upanga. It's only now a year ba wehla endleleni seyisetaxini, which is maybe I'm saying maybe, I don't know.
Okay.
Maybe whatever, maybe WhatsApp or instruction about Maget, I don't know. Only uSylvester why eSomhlolo. Mind you, uSylvester akazudlala kwi-Easter tournament. Let me put it straight in that way. He's not a player also utilizes some kuma Easters. As bavele nawo akadlalanga. So uya xa ndizicingela noba yena kuthiwa makaye since awuzama game time. Okay, naye wafika ke azange adlale eSomhlolo. So all in all, amajita iplan the way bese plan ngakhona no Ninja ayenzekanga. And njengoba ingenzekanga, not even a text communication to say Tatuski I'm not coming because of this. No, nothing. Sidlale somhlolo, I promise you we played our best football. Remember, it was the first game since I'm back. That was the best game so far. We just lacked one person who could just come in and score. We considered a goal, was this own goal. We lost by an own goal.
Okay.
There was nothing beside that. It was just ashes. It was a nice game of football.
Okay.
So it happens in that way. We went against Somkholo, we played, we lost. Immediately after the game, we rushed to extension 2 because we have a game at 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
At the back of my mind, these players, some of them, I'm not be negative, man, this thing is not happening. The figure extension 2, amachita sebe kindile sebe ready. Abanye badinga ama-Cox. There is a boy odlala Central, usanele bengena ama-soccer boots.
Yeah.
There is uKusheshe bengena ama-soccer boots. They came personally. I borrowed them because ukuhle abamazi ndalithatha fast likakuhle ndabanikeza bangena ground because of this is my team as well.
Okay.
So we played extension 2 ndifika mos line up seyibekiwe. Coach lobeshekile ubeke line up. But ndifika bebhizi be warm up. I didn't even participate much. I went there, I sit at the back of our bench and ndahlala ndabuka the game. Yes, I picked up a mistake in our team while sayidlala team. I tried manje after some time nyana bana let me get involved because I can see I can help the team because I'm picking up easy elements where I'm needed as a coach now. I remember I gave the instruction to goalkeeper to say, keeper, hlala phansi sizokhona uku restructure our team. All right? Wahlala phansi goalkeeper, we called the players, they came, I gave the instruction. That's where I started to be involved.
Okay.
I changed the team around to say Ninja Magambo Odlala is the top man so that we open up the field in the midfield because we were just crowded.
Okay.
Just as soon as after that conversation as I went to my players, we scored. First half, we scored. Just immediately, 1-0.
Was it the game against
Real Tigers?
Real Tigers. I was there. Yeah.
I'm sure you have that moment.
Yeah.
So we scored. Then we went to halftime. During halftime, I walked slowly. I think I was walking with a player who was a pension. When we got Chinchela corner or where we were gonna have our team talk, it was crowded. I'm a supporter. So coach Ronaldo was busy, a coach during halftime. I was standing just behind my supporters.
Yeah.
With respect, after I got coach, she called to say, Tuske, come and add. That was respect. And it was still going the way Ebek Medbenga.
Yeah.
I appreciated that we are still in the same page. I came in, I was not okay. I think I flew because the voice I'm being when I was no quasi on that day. I went on the coach. I think I coached 2 things. I coached the keeper. Bana keeper, please try not to be fancy too much. Amapola wako, you are too fancy.
Yeah.
Everyone that was watching can be ilendo ubfakazi of how many balls the keeper kicked outside the field. The first half.
Yeah.
We are told I was correcting that. Wonke athi evulile u-12 ekufutshane avela likhabele phambili liphumele ngaphandle.
Yes.
Or alikhabele liye straight ku goalkeeper ngapha. I was correcting that. Secondly, the thing I still remember that game like it was yesterday. Second thing, I spoke direct to Tolman because he's very experienced. I trust him. I've coached him before. That told me we are playing at the back more like we are giving this team is not scared of us. We are making a lot of mistakes and this team is getting so many chances. That team, I think first half has managed to get about 3 1-on-1 goalkeeper was safe. In a mistake with defensive.
Yes.
So I was correcting that too. But can you command this defense? Singa create my chances. Singa make a mistake as well. He understood. That was the only thing I coached. Then I was like, sharp agents. Let's play more like a team. Let's show up. We are here to win the tournament.
Okay.
Let's just leave a message today. And I didn't point out to individuals. I left igame yaqala ku second half mayiqala ndama emva kwa fans ndabizo Ronaldo, where do we see our problem kule first half? Where can we change and bring this game be alive? The game is not alive.
It's not alive.
The only player that was 100. Yes, I'm saying it. Okay, let me mention two. The only two players that were excellent on the day. The boy by the name of Usanel was playing just in front of a defender. Okay. I remember he made one mistake. Abo bamphasa khona wazama ukuthena bamfoula bamwisa akajudge uref balithatha baphansi bakora.
Okay.
I remember that one. That was the only mistake he made. The second player that was excellent was
which is number one?
I think number 6.
Number 6. Okay.
He was very good.
Okay.
Oh, the second player that was excellent on the day was Uyoli. Our attack was Uyoli only. Make no mistake. It was Uyoli. He was creating, he was getting into the box, he was shooting. I think he scored the second goal.
He scored the second goal.
Yes.
I heard the commentator even made him man of the
man of the match.
Yeah.
He was brilliant.
Okay.
So now athi ke uRonaldo masithetha ngama changes. Ucinga ba masikhuphe uNinja. Wakamboni kahle. Ucinga sikhuphe uNinja uintroduce uGusheshe adlale kwela side bedlala nguYoli, sithatha uYoli awu by top man.
Okay.
Dithi mina izoba nzima because uYoli is our best player. Should we simthathe somenzi top man? I-top man is easy ukuyimarka because i-defense izokulandela. So now he's not going to have advantage yokuthena adlala ibhola. So siyayibulala play yethu.
Okay.
Athi ndithi how about thathu Ninja semfake phakathi esiswini adlale noSanel. We take out the boy enxiba number 6 mude umnyama. Andazi ngo-under, I don't really know him. But on the day he was out, he was not really effective.
Yeah.
That how about we take him out? Then ke sithathe uSkuba. He was wearing number 4 uSkuba. Abe top man. Uyoli comes inside adlale as number 10. In number 10 is someone or he playmaker ozokwenza i-team bamayidlala. Uyoli was free, was happy on the day. So he was going to make it idlala. Ndime ndithetha lonto.
Okay.
So but ndibona ba okay apho siyaclash uthi yena maphuma uNinja. So uthi athi ke yena mandithatha uNinja simfaka central. Athi uNinja is good ekumarkeni but uzowathatha amabhola awakhabele phambili xa silimarkile.
Yeah.
I hate ukudiscuss ama tactics enwathethe ne-assistant yakho or ne-co-coach yakho because every decision eyithethayo mina in my coaching career I believe ba yenu nobabili. If he took the decision it must not come out as if ithathwe nguye. It's our decision. That's how it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Why I'm mentioning this, it was a turnaround. That was the main point, this substitution kaNinja. Eyenza ukuba everything now. There was no issues and
main switch say
yeah. So all in all game, I'm an idlale game about 10 minutes. Abuye na yaze kum athi masenzele amasapho. Ndithi mina masimkhiphe number 6, the one be playmaker. Let's introduce Vieira.
Okay.
Yes, we can singamfaka uGusheshe on that side, no problem. Odlala pha kwela side kaYoli. Sithathe no uGusheshe uzodlala kule ndawo edlala kulomjidi benxiba number 3. Uyanthola begijima kakhulu. Lithi now because le game man asikho mnandi kakhulu ekudlaleni. Let's take this number 3 because unamandla unespeed. Asiyomenza i-top man yethu i-striker sethu.
Yeah.
At least khona ukuthi masidlala simthembe ngespeed. Uba uzobashiya uzokora lo mjidi.
Okay.
Umjita siyenze nyani lamasapha i2 Ninja out, this number 6 out. Xa bephuma bavele bangahlala bebenchini. Bavele baphume bahambe. In my coaching career, that's not a sportsmanship. Once you substitute ungahlali kwabanye ama reserve uvela uphuma uhambe, it says you're not happy ngokukhutshwa.
Okay. And decision ethathiwe.
Yeah, you're not happy about it.
Okay.
And once you are like that, you are not a good player. I don't want to hide this one. I'm saying it loud and clear. Should you do that, you're not a good player. It means when you must go play tennis. With tennis must udlala one or substitute. You can understand?
Yes.
Why I'm saying that, even the best player in the world, I'm talking about Messi, they do substitute him. Cristiano Ronaldo, they do sub him. You can understand? I do understand you can be frustrated. But once you take it too far, it be personal, then there is a problem.
Okay.
So apparently, that substitution, in the background, must be discussed, it was made by me. Mamela, nobody to him. I will take it. Ndibe like, no, if ndiyithathile wena as a player akumelanga ukhutshwe na. If there was a contract ethi mna as this player and the substitute of the club, I was never going to be part of it.
Okay.
From the beginning. So now if it happens ba ukhutshiwe, it's I understand kwabanye abantu, then don't involve me. Let me tell you a quick story before we continue. I was once introduced to a player by the name of Umpor. Wazodlaliswa ku-Ashes.
Yeah.
Ndiqala ukumbona. Introduced ngumgabe kum waza naye. Ndayifaka this player. We're playing Easter tournament. I think it was the semi-final or quarter-finals. This player idlale le game. Ndimbona ba uyalazi but akana energy ngathukhathela.
Okay.
Ndimsapha. Ndifake enye out yaseThina song bathi ngubongani. Ndathi ngigqiba umfaka ubongani. Waphuma umporo. Weza straight kum. Wathi kum wenzani? Ndathi mina ngantoni? Wathi ngikhuphela. Ndathula. Wathi yazi banikhutshwa mina ndazi ndubani. Yatsho kanjalo le play.
Yeah.
They were like, what?
Messi wasethi.
Wathi yena andikhutshwa. Azange ndimnake ndave ndamuva. Ndamela ngapha ngaphakathi ground yabe ngiqhubeleka negame.
Yeah.
Ezehlala phansi. What I liked about him, after Mbuzeland, zanga suka apha yamba imoto no change. He sit here emva kwami. Ndathi esahlala labe ingena ibhola enethini. Be not manje imkhopha. Sabe score. Guess who was scoring?
Substitute.
Le substitute endikhupeleyo.
Okay.
Wahlala here umbholo. Wasiphuzela selela amanzi. After the game, he stood up and came to me. Wanibamba isandla. I'm for itaskisi. Beningazi basiyadlala. So I didn't sleep. Ngizolala today, tomorrow I'll be here. Ngizobe ndi fresh. Ngicela nilande early. Thatha ama number wamonfonele masizi.
Okay.
From that day until today, we are good friends nomporo. We talk. He can come and play for Ashes anytime because we are good. It's grand. It's not beef.
And not beef. Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
So what I'm saying kuwe kubana to be frustrated ngesapho ngokukhutshwa, it's fine, but it must not come with ukudelela omunye umuntu or undermine another person.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about me. I didn't substitute to Ninja. Was substituted by Ronaldo.
Okay.
But Ronaldo, I must protect him. Ndithi sim substitute so itu.
No itu.
But now in their case, they said he was substituted by me. So akayithandanga lona. So the whole topic now around the cast, it's about I substituted this boy number 6 no Ninja, and the boy number 6 was playing very well. I mean, talked about that were not even part of the team. So now the relationship broke from there because now I noticed, okay, it's not really broke from there. Okay, we played Uninja Wapuma, we scored the second goal.
Okay.
Without these two guys as a substitute there, we scored 2 goals. We scored 1 more goal. We won 2-0. They didn't sit on the bench. And Babole after the game, they only come. I don't want to talk much because there was another third substitution. Man, this coach, in fact, let me mention that one because it's important. I wanted to introduce a young boy from Sprite or iPhone 13.
Okay.
This iPhone 13 boy, Ubabake Uspam. Uspam is the very greatest player around here. What's the Soweto?
Okay.
Intwana yakhe. Imnandi, I see potential kuyi. Esomhlolo, he was very nice. He was very good. So now benifuna ukumnikeza ichance. Ndimfaka iscore sithi 2-0. Manje ndixelela uRonaldo masifake this boy. Masokwenza isapho wathi uRonaldo ayithi ndiyabuya ngizawuchama. Ndicela umfake.
Yeah.
He left. They substituted and they faggot this boy. Ronaldo never came back. I think the boy played about 10 minutes. To give a rating ka boy ukuthi wenze njani phaya, he didn't do well, but he didn't do bad.
Yeah.
Akuna into azenzile ezi wrong ngathiwa ye utyisa litimo kwaphansi wayityisa. No. So now what I picked up kwathiwa ndifake uVieira, they believe is my player. While I found uVieira edlala kwiManinja, even while I was out of football.
Yeah.
He was playing Maninja.
Maninja, yes.
So now how can he be my player now when I found him there? So the iPhone 13, yes, is my player. I take that one. But he didn't do any bad. He came on his score with 2-0. He came in with 2-0. Is there a game where he win with 3-0 going a call? No. So it's not like I killed momentum or standard sabo ngofa ku iPhone. No. We told.
Yes.
So okay, fine. Yaphela ke game manager. After the game, like what I do is we normally have a team talk after the game where I give feedback ba amajita dlale kanjani. I thought it's the same thing yenzakala kuma inje kanti no, they don't do that. So but ndathola bene caucus nya. Apparently in that caucus the topic was me. But I'm not needed here.
Okay.
But surprise, even though they did that, they still came back to me to say, imali yokuhambisa ama player ayikho. So I'm needed bana because to transport ama player. So how is it possible you don't need me but you need my money? Urana kwa the same club.
Okay.
So like keep imali kwathela idizili kwimoto kwamele ihambe kwa transport kumele transportwe nami the assistant transport amanye bekumele transportwe. That was fine. So now we had a small meeting nabo where I was also part of it, where we are discussing a game as a Polar Park, which is on Saturday. But now Saturday we are playing Polar Park 10 o'clock, and then everyone agreed, Bana, we are there, we are coming.
Yeah.
And even though some thought they didn't come, I'm trying to move away. Now I want to see about Saza and Gobaslal, Agdare extension 2. So I believe everyone is going to come. Polar Park, but the idea is a Polar Park yokudlalisa more abangadlalanga, but I just want to see aba badlali bazo pitch up na. To cut the story short, they never pitch up. There was no message.
I was there.
That's when now I picked up that there is a problem here.
Okay.
Nkalakata called me efuna ukuzwa amajita phelele na. I told him they didn't pitch up. Kwa pitch up uSylvester no Kasandi. These two they didn't play extension 2. Uviera obvious he did pitch up because we have a good working relationships. We are good.
Yeah.
So these two, Kasandi no Sylvester. Sylvester came very late with a bad attitude. But he has forced. I played to Kasandi, and Sylvester came on as a sub later in the game. Then after that moment, Mapeli came. We had a very long meeting with over the phone. No. Nyani, there is a problem here. What's the problem? I am a cheater at any problem now. Abafunu coach on him. And ba coach right.
Okay.
But ukungabina nyani somewhere you go back call because I'm not getting a straight message apo ET. Uninja uthi akekho happy ngawo wena wenze 1 2 3 or uket akekho happy ngawo wena wenze 1 2 3.
Okay.
Ibuya isithi amajita athi akekho happy ngawo. Who are these machita? Because it's players from Davidton and the believer by a peak, they don't really belong here. So now how can Upi go from Davidton ufike ngapha on a problem with that to skoqala kumbona? There's boys abasuka funje from outside. So is it really about these boys can say any problem now? Let's come back to the players Ninja. I've coached Uninja. Uninja have played for Ashes. On the same Easter tournament. I have used Uninja with final against SSV playing for Ashes. I have taken in him substituting many times. There were no beef. There were no issues. So why today Sekunama issues? I'm trying now I'm trying to balance this thing, but what's the problem here?
Yeah.
I groomed the boy from young age, from development. So why would Uyoli have a problem now at this time? By the way, Uyoli from Cape Town to here. Transported him. I bought him a ticket from Cape Town to Johannesburg to come and play for Ashes.
Okay.
When I'm saying for Ashes, not really Ashes yoto. Yeah. So I expected him to but surprise, he got the message ending Ayazba from who Ashes. While I've transported the boy. But it's never personal because I've noticed it's bigger than that. You understand? So all in all, that's where the whole thing ivele yahlaphazeka khona. Abazange Polar Park, there was no message. Sekubuya message uNkalakatha ethi the boys but bane problem now. You know? Yes. That one I got it straight from Kalakatha. But the boys but bane problem now abafuna ukusebenzana now. Wow. Ngobe kuloku uvunyelwana kanti I didn't force myself to these boys. We understand?
Yeah.
And I've been coaching for too long. Bendondinawo abadlali ngabasebenzisi. And I'm one person obeka ngathanda ukusebenzisa abadlali ba local. Mandithi aba local abalapha eKasi with surroundings. Uku avoid ukuxabana nabafowethu. That's another reason. Let me step back and but into your surprise, the same guys issues. I've helped them in football. I've helped them in football a lot. When I'm saying a lot, I'm not demanding. I'm not gonna be like umchita makalahlo icherry. I mean like iPhone yambek. No. I'm not saying this ndifuna uba like umntu. But I'm trying to say, if there was no relationship between Nana Rajit, there was never a point where ndibanceda khona in life. For example, I've taken Ninja to Itonado as Eastern Cape, East London. Personally, this has a coach one up here. I'm arranging why trial. Unfortunately, didn't make it. But he was taken by me there. So now, if I have a personal issue on Ninja, why would I do that? Why would Ninja play for Ashes before if I have issues now? You understand?
Yeah.
Which is after this whole thing again. I text him. Ninja, I send Vilba in a problem, but I'm shocked with your attitude towards me. Because the same person, we've worked together before. I don't remember where we had a fight in now. In response, I knew about Izopuma Namland. So I was like, sharp. That was my goodbye Gui. Same way they talking on Kalagata and trying to have a way forward, but how do we now solve this issue? Unfortunately, we didn't come up with a proper solution because Ubeti Mandimlinde Abu then we sit down and solve this issue. Okay. But the question was one. At this moment, what do I do? Do I go and coach? Do I sit at home? If I sit at home, obvious, it says I'm not part of those people.
Yeah.
That's when I announced. Remember, we've won Extension 2. Yeah. We've won a Polar Park. Askaka Dali second game, Extension 2. So I announced, but I'm no longer part of Ama Ninja.
Against Islovo.
Against Islovo.
Yeah.
So now I announced, but I'm no longer part of Ama Ninja. That's when another big topic came out of. Because now abantu sebeqala, most in football abanye abantu mhlamba bamthanda uNkalakatha, abanye abamthandi uTuski because of some people they're just scared nje competition yasebholeni. Mhlamba omnye ukuzondela kwalendaba ukuthi unesport ese-red akathandi lonto.
Yeah.
That one we can't control. So now they picked up this thing on the Facebook. It's just that my phone is off. But I remember the post in the post. The post was saying Ashes to Ashes Nama Ninja are no longer working together from now going forward. You won't see me at Extension 2 tomorrow.
Yeah.
I want you to hear it from me. It simply says, and I'm putting it publicly on Facebook so that if corner umuntu own information at different, go comment and say, we are okay.
Yeah. This
and this happened.
I saw the message.
So now what they did is by screenshot the message, by send a group in, kunama coaches, number chairman, which is I'm not part of that because I understand is just too much.
Okay.
So I prefer about this issue, let's discuss it. Let's discuss we pay. So ngoku you touch your screenshot or your WhatsApp group and they know I'm not there.
Yeah.
By discuss abantu bayidiscussa ngalondlela abafila ngayo. So mna ke andikho ke apha. But mna as a person, as a human being, I'm like this. I'm like a snake. Yazi inyoka injani? Inyoka ifuna ba uyiqonde straight ngaphambili. If ufuna ba mhlambi nilo. Because kaloku if uyiza ngasemva izokulimaza inyoka. Because xa ithene kulapha ikulimaza khona. Kanti xa uza ngaphambili niyaqondana niyafeyisana. So mna I'm like that. If ufuna ba ne problem, asifeyisane so. Face mos andizukwazi nokukudla. Andizukwazi ukulimaza because it means we are man to man.
Yeah.
So now that thing yaqhubela sendiyibona ba now ithatha direction wrong. So many people are getting involved and they're buying information wrong over why Tuesday is only going to Facebook now. I announce whose Facebook bendibhala kuye kanti it's my post under my name to say ibhalwe ndiyim. I'm not saying any bad thing about anyone.
Yeah.
Ndithetha uba andisasebenzisana nama Ninja. Somebody is asking me why uyibhala ngoku, why ungayibhalanga eqaleni. I did eqaleni. Nditshilo uba I will be playing Extension 2 esomhlolo ngo 1 o'clock. Ndathi 3 o'clock I'll be playing extension 2. What was that? That was an announcement uba where ndizobe ngiphi na.
Yeah.
So why uzothi ke ngokumuntu why we announce ngoxa soyeka? I'm not even saying a bad thing about anyone and yeka, but I'm saying I won't be an extension 2. I didn't even mention any bad thing about that. Previously, before that, there was a post where I said, I'm a player, I'm a man. Maybe somebody is putting those dots together as Tanganis. It was not about that. It's about the players that I've called. That didn't come. And one of them is Ushavul. Prayerless is prayed. He just ran away something. And many other players that I don't want to mention, they know. And then extension they didn't pitch up. I was not forcing anyone to come and play for Ashes. But if Zivumelan, if you feel otherwise, you can still text me Pratuska and says I was never gonna hit you for that. So abantu are thinking bahlanganise ezo zinto ezingahlanganiyo ngoba befuna ukuthola answers zabo. You know, sometimes 1 + 1 kwabanye abantu is 2, kwabanye it's 11. We understand. Okay. So I think in this situation abanye bathole 11 while the answer was 2. And abanye benza ngathi bathanda unkalakatha because of this situation bengathandi mina, which is I don't care about who loves me in football, who don't. That's why I don't have abantu abaninzi around my technical team Ashes. You know why? I don't want these into zoxabanisa. I want to be straight. I want us to play football. After football, we go home and sleep. So all in all, that's what happened between Mina and Ninja. And honestly, there is no comeback in our relationship. Unfortunately, it will never be. Mna nukalakata we are good. Make no mistake. There is no beef between Mina and I. Yes, it can happen, but there is a misunderstanding between us professionally.
Yes.
When Mhlambi is siding with his players, which is it's his own right. Awunothi xa umuntu osenext to exabana nabantwana bakho ngokubabona baba wrong. In front of lo muntu lo kumele uside nabantwana bakho. So on that one I understand kweside la Nkalakatha. I'm old enough to take that one, but we don't have a beef. But with the players of Amaninja, the grand.
Yeah, because our players must say ahlange, and then they were like, okay guys, we are one. Silalila, okay, even though singama team I2, but because of le match lena, sesi team A1, but create a layer relationship, layer bond, layana. Now, sebaya hlugana without being properly taken. Kuma steps angazukubahama. Now ucinga ngababona iba affecta kanjani as much as it has affected you.
Oh, it was not an easy thing, ne? It was not an easy decision. You know, I'm one person when I decide to take the decision. I make sure that I made a decision. So when I took a decision to join to be part of Amaninja, many people they came and say, why we were 7 but I said this is my decision. So it was very difficult, but now I'm pulling the plug off. It was never an easy decision. Unfortunately, as a decision, when it comes to Ama player, I doubt but it was a very difficult decision, because when I went there, I noticed how much it was a cast. I'm not talking about last one. Our van, our United, for whatever our reasons. Abazazi kunabanalento okuthonga amakwali. I've seen them besilwa bese ground bexabana benqonba hayibo abantu baphila bonke, but why? And it was going to be more nicer okubana if beqhubelekile, because some of the players eben badlalisa basuka eKasi. For example, Chekulo Yiso wase Greenfield wayezo joiner udlalile kule yonke squad besenza namanage, but to end up xa pull out edlaleli ofi. You understand? So those things, man, they are not nice, but unfortunately, and now I control over them. And now.
I'm triggered ngale ndaba yokuthi bayibalwe nase grounding, which then raises the issue that you will have to tackle. And I need you to be part of ama guest kuleyo issue leyo, because I remember I've started last year ugu join ama tournaments ndwalandele nanani, and I've seen ku majority ama tournaments ndwahambile there's always ama fights azoyenzeka grounding where either ama players or ama officials are going to be attacked yabona. I've seen it iyenzakala ku first tournament ebendikuya, I won't mention ukuthi
sure.
but it happened there. And then I've seen it iyenzakala ku tournament yam that I hosted as well up Polar Park. It happened where they assaulted the referee. I've seen it happening ku tournament yeka enye that I went to as well. I've even posted the video on YouTube. Ku attackwa ama officials. It happened when a recent tournament ebendikuyo still way they attack the of Indo, the official. Now, what I have seen, because after posting their video Leana, I was attacked by the executive leyo tournament leyo to say uwisa igama le tournament when you are exposing izinto so, of which those are the issues esibhekene nazo kuma tournaments, and they are happening okokoko. We don't have action plan when it comes to fighting against leyo nto leyo asinayo, yet instead wonke umuntu or wonke ama officials or ama executive or ama organizers, they are protecting reputation yabo. Because I remember first tournament I was shooting kuyo, and then they came to me and said wakudlala manager ne Bayern, they came to me and said ungayivezi le part wekuliwa khona yabo. Okay, that was alarm number one from me. It's okay, maybe this thing iyenzeka once off mhlawumbe into ehlala iyenzeka, let me just give it some time. Iyenzeka even to my tournament ngabona ukuthi no man, this thing is a series iyenzakala, of which it's an issue that needs to be taken in, which needs to be tackled. So bafethu, that was it from uTatuske namhlanje. And as you can see now, uzivele futhi uzibonela isitori asiphelelanga bafethu, conversation ayiphelelanga. But then ngenxa yexesha we are going to do part 2 yayo le episode lena, so that we can go deeper kumanye ama details as to what exactly transpired between lama team ayi2. Tatuske ndiyabulela bra.
Except ngiyabonga man MK okunye nje in closing. I would love, man, you know, I'm one person who's in sport for good reasons. Not for, that's why I even have e-development. You can check around some of these teams, they never even have e-development. My juniors. Why? Because I think they're just running for money. On juniors, it's just about development. You are getting nothing. In that saying, I would love to, but in a good way, I would love to Polar Park, Polar Linyuke, the Buyele back to where we have 4 teams here. There is Petro, there is Ashes, there is Sesfikile, there is Amaninja. Okay, there is another one, Egalunga, Nasima Grounded. But if we were to have a nice top 4 one of the days, where we just play and have fun without fighting, I promise you, where there is Ashes, ask any referee, we don't attack any people like grounding. We're just there to play football. If all the 4 teams can have that mentality, but let's go and play, you will see. And obviously, I wish the first game be Ninja the Ashes.
You know what? Let's put it into action, because we were stating earlier on. Let's put it into action. Now, I'm calling out to a coach. Ashes to Ashes, which is Utatuske. I'm calling out to coach Yamaninja, which is Inkalakata. I'm calling out to coach Utafaya. I'm calling out to Utafaya. I am calling out to Utalwas to say, guys, this is a very new initiative as Funukikala Kasi. We want to bring back the momentum sport apaikas, because I've seen, guys, Polar Parks are undermined. Undermined on communities la, because the Polar Filikas. We've got these 4 teams. And in most Yalama tournaments, I enzakalayo year round. If Lamatima weko, here board tournament. So guys, let us take control of esports say to apaikas, and then Sizo propose a date, and then Sizo keep it date where this team are going to play. You're on the top 4 and Sizo keep it date. But for now, we are calling out on Lama coaches like to say, guys, please skelani respond, and then Sizo kwazi set up a date to go to the tournament at the top 4 is okala nini. Obviously, it's a 1 day tournament.
Sure,
1 day tournament. Okay, I know. Ngicela ningalibali ukusubscribe, ningalibali ukushare, and most importantly ningalibali ukucomment abafethu. This is a conversation, and niyayibona ukuthi it's a dialogue. Anibuzanga wonke ama questions that maybe eninawo lani. So I need you to help me kuma comments, nibuze lawo ama questions lawo, so that masense part 2 yale episode hopefully next week
Sure.
Masenzi part 2 yale episode he's going to tackle wonke lawo ma questions lawo, and from me uMK and from Tatuske we are saying nibe nelangile mnandi fere.
Sure.